The ZMISHIBO 72-inch ceiling fan in black delivers powerful airflow with its 8 dual-colored blades, making it an excellent choice for maintaining a comfortable atmosphere in various settings. Equipped with a quiet reversible DC motor, this fan efficiently cools during the summer and aids in warmth during the winter, offering energy savings over traditional AC motors. Operating the fan is hassle-free thanks to its included remote control, which allows for easy mode switching, speed adjustments, and timer settings. This ceiling fan offers versatile installation options with 3 different downrod lengths and compatibility with sloped ceilings, making it suitable for a wide range of indoor and outdoor spaces. ZMISHIBO ensures peace of mind with exceptional customer support and simple installation, reinforcing their commitment to customer satisfaction. With its sleek black finish and modern design, the fan enhances the aesthetic appeal of any room while providing functional performance.